Udah nggak ya?
Ya deh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
We are from Fifth Group. We want to discuss about research and design. And the members is Fadila Ariana Farudin, Khairina Maisuri, Lutfia Aida Yahya, Muhammad Fahrizal Tanjung. Research. The research is related to systematic investigation on the basis of methodology of research and knowledge on a particular topic or subject. The user group, the research problem it investigate is. Research need to focus on three methods, quantitative, qualitative, and mixed method approaches. Okay, next slide will be delivered by Khairina Maisuri. Times is yours.
Okay, thank you so much for the moderator. So now our topic is about research design. Research design is the framework of research methods and techniques chosen by a researcher to conduct a study. The sessions like what, where, when, how, and the others in research to a research study creates a research design. The complete research design may be divided into the following parts. The first, sample design. Sample design deals with the technique of selecting items, and this requires careful observation for the given research study. The second, observational designs. This is related to the condition under which the experiments are to be conducted. And the third, statistical design. This concerns the question of how many items are to be observed and how are the collected data and information going to be analyzed. And the last one, operational designs. This deals with the methods by which the procedure is specific in the sample. Observational and statistical designs can be conducted. Okay, this is about the topic research designs. I will return to moderator.
Thank you for Khairina. Next slide. Next slide will be delivered by Lutfia Aida Yahya. Times is yours.
Okay, thank you for the moderator. Types of research design, there are descriptive design. Descriptive design includes phenomena being researched and characteristic of population. To describe internal validity does not require characteristic of population. It is used static of data, average, and frequencies. And descriptive design have advantage and disadvantage. For advantage is for number one is amount of data gathered by this research and which can be used for future reference. And two, it gives overview of study which is helpful to determine variables used for observation. Three, limitation of study can be used for development or as a useful tool. For disadvantage is number one, to disprove the hypothesis, the outcome of descriptive design cannot be used. Number two, study depend on measurement and instrumentation for observation. Three, using observational method, outcomes can be collected. And for the next is longitudinal design. Longitudinal design, this research design make multiple observation, repetitive study, and experiments. This involve the same group of people for study over a period of time. The variables are identified and causes are found which made variables have caused change in their behavior. This is also called panel research design. And for advantage, for number 1 is data can be collected from particular phenomena. 2, various variable establish causal relationship. 3, pattern of change can be tracked. And for disadvantage, methods have changed over time, but researchers assume that present trend may remain the same for the future also. And design. Cohort design. This study was conducted on a short population over a period of time. It generally deals with the static section of the population which is relevant to investigational problems. Open cohort study involves rate-based data, and closed cohort involve all participants entering in study at a specific point. No new participant allowed in later. And this has advantage. For number 1, action research study is mandatory because involving random people in study is unethical, so it is a risk-based study. 2, to provide insight into overtime effect, study should be flexible. 3, primary search and secondary search data can be used. 4, need to avoid debate related to cause and effect because it can go problem cause before outcome. And disadvantage for number 1 is no involvement of randomization, so lower than other research which select random participant. And number 2, research has to wait for condition because it takes a long time, so research credibility may change by variable. And number 3, factors between two cohort groups cannot be controlled. And exploratory design. Design used for research where no design study was done before. Later investigation can be best understood to get knowledge through this design. The study used for explanation whether future study is possible or not, and data can be used for further development for more research. And this have advantage. Research priority can be determined through exploratory design. Number 1, all answer like what, why, how we can get through data collection. And number 2, background data can be collected through exploratory design for a particular topic. And for disadvantage, for number 1 is whole population can be generalized through data of exploratory research. Number 2 is unstructured style of research, and this design is followed to realize following purpose. For number 1 is clarifying concept and defining problems. Number 2, formulating problems for more precise and investigation. For number 3 is increasing researchers' familiarity with problem. Number 4 is developing hypothesis. Number 5 is establishing priorities for further investigation. And cross-sectional design. Cross-sectional design. The research design was calculated among study participants at some times. Research variable data analyzed from a sample population which is collected from a given point of time. It has selected based on difference rather than selection dependence based on existing variation, no time dimension, so distinguishing features can be analyzed. And this has advantage. For number 1 is study used for large number of subjects. 2, grouping not selected randomly based on population grouping is done. And number 3, at the point in time, it provides characteristic of the result. For number 4 is research performed on population are more reliable. Number 5 is use a large number of subjects. And for disadvantage is number 1 is very difficult to find phenomena of the same interest or subjects. Number 2 is outcome does not provide any historical occurrence because of time-bound procedure. Number 3 is different outcomes from different time frames. And yes, for number 4, cause and effect relationship cannot be determined from this research. And for the next type is can be delivered by Fadila Ariana.
Okay, thank you, Lutfi. So the next material is causal design. They relate the understanding of phenomena with statement if A then B. According to assumption and norms, one can make certain change in this kind of research. The explanation of tasks by hypothesis is sought by the majority of science, like dependent variable, independent variable, variation in one phenomenon, variation in other phenomenon. The first one is the following impact need to include in causal design. There is 3 types. The first one is non-superiorness. The second, appropriate time order. The last one is empirical associate. For advantage, the first one is change of replication are more. Second, study has systematic subject selection and internal validation. Third, it helps the world better by providing a link between variables and elimination possibilities. For disadvantage, there is 2 different events seems to be related and cannot be causal. Second is causality is only referred because superfluous and reflecting variables exist, so it is difficult to determine a conclusion about a relationship. And the last one is it not easy to predict which variable is cause and which is effect. Experimental design. The experimental design is the causal relationship where a particular cause leads to the same effect. Cause will process of effect so degree of associate is measured. For advantage, the first one is placebo effect can be determined from treatment effect. The second one, from a single study, a high level of defense can be collected. Third, it determines the cause of something to take place. For disadvantage, the first one, because of technique or ethical reason, few types of process cannot be performed. Second, it might not fit into real time. Third, if procedure use special equipment and facilities, experiment can be costly. Type of experimental design, the first one is pre-experimental, and the second is true experimental research design. Next material is action design. In this exploration and understanding of the problem is developed to follow characteristics best path to make strategy of intervention. Various forms are collected to follow new intervention strategies until problem strategies are established. This path is cycling, provide initializing hypothesis and specifically problem to make intervention and assessment. The first for advantage, the first one is because of cooperative and adaptive nature, it can be used in community or work situation. Second, it mainly focus on solution driven and practical design theory. Third, it increase the chance of learning from experience, also viewed as cycling. For outcome, it relates to practice. 5, researchers have nothing to hide and control information. And disadvantage, the first one is the responsibility of researchers to encourage change, so it is difficult to perform conventional studies. The second one, the result may be biased due to the over involvement of researcher. Third, documentation is really difficult because of no standard format. And the last one is it cycling is in nature, so action research is difficult to conduct. Next material is design versus method. Research design is different from the method by which data are collected. Many research methods confuse research design with method. It is not uncommon to see research design treated as a mode of data collection rather than a logical structure of inquiry, but there is nothing intrinsic about any research design that requires a particular method of data collecting. Failing to distinguish between design and method leads to poor evaluation of design. Equating cross-section with questionnaires or case studies with participant observation mean that the design are often evaluated against the strengths and weakness of the method rather than ability to draw relatively unambiguous conclusion or to select between rival plausible hypothesis. I think that's all for me. I will be back to return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you for Fadila Ariana. Next slide. Next slide.
Ada sebelum masuk lah baru nggak bisa. Ada sebelum masuk.
Okay, the conclusion of this material is research design is not related to any particular method of collecting data or any particular type of data. Types of research design are descriptive, exploratory, experimental, longitudinal, cross-sectional, action, short and casual. Research design is different from the method by which data are collected. So now is Q&A. Anyone to ask our material? Okay, maybe no one to ask. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.